Real quick, let's talk about PEZ, the candy company. Everything must be uniform. Everything must be the same. Except that one. We'll give it to him. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. That is so cool. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then, so with these colorful candy dispensers, remember it's the candy that the company PEZ actually sells. The candy dispenser is just a way for them to use it as a vehicle to carry these wonderful candies. So I wanted to show you some different variations. So if you look here at the sours that are going to be over here on your right, these are the older ones. The wrappers have been replaced with the ones with the PEZ guy on them. They aren't supposed to be upside down, that's for sure. Uniformity. Uniformity. That's the way it's supposed to be. Here we see some of the regular flavors. And the holiday flavor candy corn. Very tasty. With the PEZ guys right there. And here are your refills for your toy. Nothing better than filling a PEZ dispenser with PEZ and eating the PEZ and complaining about how hard it is sometimes to fill it all the way because you eat half the candy filling it up. And here we see the European side. So the candies I just showed you are some that were offered in, or still offered in, the United States. Over here, PEZ International. This is the European offerings. Here you can see the fruits with the nice, fun faces. That's what PEZ is. It's fun. Isn't that right, Hello Kitty? Here's the first inception of the PEZ guy. Some guy made of PEZ. Then you look here. New conception. Now it is similar. Let's go ahead and compare it. Yet different. Here you can see on the US we have these nice fruits. Over here we just have these guys. Very cool. So there you go. That is the difference in the PEZ candies and how you can identify. Another way you can identify if it is European versus US, the backs. They speak a lot of different languages over there in Europe, so you want to make sure that if there's some foreign language and you're here in the States, yeah. If you're not here in the States and all you see is a bunch of English, here's the US one. Another easy way, made by PEZ. Focus, please. Now this is PEZ Haas here. But PEZ Products Europe. Has it right there. Oh, it's vegan. Look at that. That's a way to change the conversation for sure, for sure. But I do like this feature right here where you have this to pull to open it. Sometimes it's hard tearing the boxes up. So that's what we have to offer. So until next time.